we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it's all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, guys, we know on this channel, we have back here. This does not surprise us that we have a pullback. Plus, we know the Fed's agenda for the fourth industrial revolution. The last 2 months, guys, we've had back here, we took big dumps over the weekend. So, guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have tether, and we have USDC. Right now, we do not have any volume, but over the weekend, we know we're going to pull up as far as volume is concerned. The actual stable coins are going to let us know which direction that we're going to be going. Now, we have Circle partners up with Maps.me platform to enable app to accept USDC transactions. So, guys, again, we're starting to see real use cases. And then plus, we're going to talk later about more adoption. Now, we know we have that Fed app. Make sure you check this afternoon to see how much money they're going to put out there. And it's going to let us know what we have for the weekend. On Friday, they always do 3-day repos. So, guys, make sure you're looking at that. Grayscale, very important, guys. We know the lockup period is going to be ending anyway, the end of this month or the beginning of next month. And then plus, that Bitcoin trust has been locked up. Grayscale is going to move us in a big way, either up or down. And like I stated, then we're going to settle down after that. But look at the amount of assets they have and the amount of Bitcoin that they have. Now, they also state they're going to be exploring 13 more crypto assets for its trust. And I definitely see this trust turning over into an ETF. Now, getting over into the actual crypto news, guys, we have the Mirror Protocol price jumps after upgrade and the Gemini listing. We have banking giant BBVA debuts Bitcoin trading and custody for its Swiss private banking clients. So guys, remember, crypto stablecoins are the foundation of this economy. The legacy market is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain alongside these assets that we're dealing with in crypto. Now, we have Mark Cuban calls for stablecoin regulation in the wake of the Iron Finance bank run. And guys, do not forget Mark Cuban is nothing but a puppet. Remember, any investment that he makes is going to be strategic. When you are a billionaire, you're going to have a staff of people looking over your investments before you actually make an investment. This is all strategic. We know for a fact we need regulation in this space, but we know the central banks and the Fed does not want regulation. If they had regulation, this casino would not be open. We see celebrities pumping and dumping cryptos and nothing happens. But the average guy, he goes to jail or prison. And I've been over time and time again of all the projects on Binance Smart Chain that have lost millions. Now we have over 3,000 ATMs in Beijing can now convert the digital yuan into cash. So guys, we know that the digital yuan is definitely ready. And remember, the crypto teacher advised you. Next year, we're going to start seeing China flex its muscle. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. But never forget, we funded it all. Don't forget the Anthony Sutton. Now we have NASCAR driver Landon Cassil opts for crypto payments and sponsorship deal. And more adoption, guys, especially when it comes to NASCAR and how big NASCAR is. Definitely, guys, it's all adoption. We see the NBA with FTX. We see the NFL players wanting crypto. It's all adoption. Now we have PayPal and Salesforce contributes to TRM Labs funding round. And don't forget, guys, compliance and risk management is very important to banks. And who is one of the big investors also is Ethan Kurzel. And who is that? The son of Ray Kurzweil. That's right. He's a board member. Always, guys, follow the money. And who predicted everything that was going to happen in the fourth industrial revolution? The robots, the AI, the transhumanism, all of it came from Ray Kurzweil. And guys, I've done plenty of videos on him. Go check out those videos. It's very important because it lets you know that everything is planned out. But that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher, and the new Road Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Do not forget Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.
Inventors, thinkers, and futurists. He has a 30-year track record of accurate predictions. If you go to Wikipedia, I think your prediction rate is like 86%, 87%.
86% of the 147 predictions I made in the 1990s about 2009 were correct.
Yeah, amazing. And we're here at Google headquarters recording this. This is you actually got a day job. Your first day job.
I do. It's my first job. It's going pretty well.
Yeah, it's going pretty good. And you're director of engineering here at Google, and you head up a team. Actually, it's been an exponentially growing team, developing machine intelligence and natural language processing, understanding. You're on my board at the X Prize Foundation, and most importantly for me, you're the co-founder and chancellor of Singularity University.
That's been great.
Yeah. And a member of the Abundance 360 team, and you'll be at Abundance 360 this coming January.
Yeah,
we're going to have a lot of fun.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah, we talk about the collision of artificial general intelligence, nanotechnology, and brain-computer interface. I mean...
Yeah, I think the word general is not needed.
Okay.
That was an inherent criticism by people that felt that AI was not actually working on AI. But I actually think we'll get to general intelligence by mastering all these narrow fields, and the narrow skills are getting broader and broader until there really won't be a difference between artificial and natural intelligence. But it's not an alien invasion of AI from Mars. We're gonna
build it ourselves.
Well, we're gonna make ourselves smarter by merging with it.
We'll talk about that. A lot of questions about when we're going to connect our neocortex to the cloud. Also,